It zooms in a little bit whenever I go to record the video. Alright, so we got the drum machine. It's an analog drum machine. It creates all of these drum sounds in real time. And I can do the drum beat from this old Lords of Acid song called Pussy about a cat. The hi-hats are generated using FM synthesis. The hi-hats are over here. You can see them oranging. Well, this is the closed hi-hat oranging and the open one occasionally oranging. Well, not occasionally, regularly oranging. Got our bass drum. Got our two snares, though the second one is set up as a hand clap currently. And I'll try to play a thing. It is a simple thing, and these notes have been stuck in my head for years. My keyboard is not velocity sensitive enough. Really simple, sorry. Switch to the 4 on the floor. Are you not plugged in? No, it's plugged in. What the hell, man? Why are you being a dick to me? Oh, whatever. That's good enough. I'm not good at this, but we're going to pretend that I am.